Hello again. In this video, we will discuss upgrading the RAM for Asus 1015PX-PU17 netbook. Here we have the white model of the Asus 1015PX. On the back side, you will see that there is a location for the RAM. So in order to get started, we need to make sure that the battery is open and the netbook is closed. So let's go ahead and slide the battery out and go ahead and try to open this. In order to open this, you will need to first get some screwdrivers, and you'll need to lift this flap up, which has a screw underneath it. So here you can see there's a screw underneath it that we're going to have to open in order to get to the RAM. So let me go ahead and open that up and show you how to replace the RAM. So here I went ahead and unscrewed it. You're going to have to use a little bit of force, lift it up and away, and you're good there. So now let's take a look at what's underneath it. So here we have the 1 gig model of the RAM. This is held in place by two metal springs on either side. So you move the metal spring out of the way, and then you'll see that this starts to kind of pop up. So push it up at an angle, and then just pull it out, and you're good to go there. Let me show you the one that I've purchased. Again, this is a DDR3 1066. I purchased a 2 gig model here, a Crucial 2 gigabyte from NewEgg. It was about $13 free shipping. So let me get that out here. And here we have the 2 gig Crucial model. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in. So make sure it lines up with the notch there, and go ahead and push it in. And this will be at an angle, so go ahead and push this down. It should snap on either side here and on this side over here. So both of these sides needs to snap in so that it's securely in place. Go ahead and take the cover, and let's put that back. And you're going to have to push it down on this side and this side until it snaps. And once that's done, then all you need to do is go ahead and screw that back in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video.